Okay, so today I am going, since I am actually making a different dish with chicken. It will be a chicken rice, and the rice is the brown rice that is already I have cooked. And many welcome. Today it is 3rd July 2025. Right now it is, what's the time? Right now it is 1:35 p.m. in the morning, not morning, afternoon. So I am preparing this dish in this cooker. It's awesome cooker and very easy to prepare things. I'm using it for last means extensively I'm using it for last 3 days, and let's see how it tastes. Actually আমি শিওর নয় কেমন খেতে হতে, কারণ ফার্স্ট টাইম আই এম কুকিং দিস আইটেম. This is my recipe. Actually, previously I got this recipe from ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT that I have these ingredients, these items, so what I can do for my lunch, what I can cook for my lunch. So ChatGPT suggests me something with which I had prepared some veggie rice, egg veggie rice. So that was also awesome. So with that recipe only I am preparing this one also. This one also is like the same recipe, but here I have given the chicken. Chicken should be more, I asked to do more smaller piece, but who listen? The smell are awesome. It's coming. Looks awesome also. And the thing is, only after eating I can say how is it. Let's put the mirchi. Mohabbat mirchi, mohabbat mirchi. Some mirchi should be there. Yeah, I have to give this one also, but after some time later. আলুটা একটু বেশি হয়ে গেছে মনে হচ্ছে, একটাই আলু দিয়েছি, বাট আই থিঙ্ক ইট ইজ মোর রাইট নাও. এনিওয়ে, দ্যাটস absolutely fine. let's put this one also. Your question is why এই ক্যাপসিকামগুলো লাস্টে দিচ্ছি, বিকজ আই ওয়ান্ট দেম নট টু কুক, মানে পুরোপুরি শোক চাইছিল, মানে একটু শোক চাইছে, ইয়ে নট কুক। একটু পেঁয়াজ দেবো, কিছু পেঁয়াজ রাখবো, সেগুলো ইয়ের সাথে দিতে হবে, রাইসের সাথে। বলতে গেলে এটা হয়েই গেছে। এখন এটা একটুখানি শোক করবো, কিন্তু তার জন্য আমি এখানেই দিয়ে দেবো, কারণ খুব শুকিয়ে গেছে। বাপরে, আমাকে এই সয়া সসটা দিতে হবে। That's all. বুঝতেই পারলাম না হয়তো, আর বেশি দিয়ে দেবো। দিয়ে দিয়েছি সয়া সস। এবার সয়া সস দিলে একটা দারুণ ফ্লেভার আসে, আমি পাচ্ছি সেই স্মেলটা। ঢাকা দিয়ে দেবো। Okay, right now office work is also going on and the weather is awesome. It's cloudy. It looks awesome from here. Oh, not only cloudy, it's raining actually. It's raining. It's awesome. Now let's see the rice. It's still hot. Not hot. It's okay. And oh, yeah. Oh, it is still hot. Let's take it out. It's fine. It's brown rice and it's absolutely fine. Okay, let me take this brown rice here. Today the quantity I have taken more than yesterday. It's still soaking. Let me check. Some more time. The camera is on my chest, that's why it's moving actually. So then, okay, that's not an issue. Okay, let's wait for some more time, for 5 minutes maybe. Okay, I think it's time to rock on. No, absolutely fine, I guess. আলু নরম হয়ে গেছে আলু চিকেন not sure about the chicken let's check out the rice is ready. Waiting for this to be cooked. And yes, okay, I can put this also, this onions sprinkled. I think a little bit of sauce, black sauce is already given with this tomato sauce ketchup. Let me leave it. Little bit of and the dhania also required right now in the cooking. এই পটটা ভালো তাই নিচে ফুটছে, আদারওয়াইজ ওই কড়াই হলে anyway it's looking nice. Okay, so let's take out some ধনিয়া দিলে টেস্টটাই পুরো আলাদা হয়। I like ধনিয়া। ছাড়িয়ে নিচ্ছি এগুলো রাইসটা দিয়ে তারপরে এটা দেব। Okay, it's fine. Okay, now it's time to put the rice over here. Okay, after putting again just have to soak. This is brown rice. That's why it's not pure white. some brownish color is there. I think today rice is more than previous. That's why. Okay, no problem. But it is small. It looks like biryani, but no, it's not biryani. The preparation is like similar, not. Okay, it's mixed. Yeah, it's mixed. Okay, now I have to put the dhania. Okay, it's done. এবার এটাকে ঢাকা দিয়ে দিলাম। এরপর ধনিয়ার স্বাদটাও এর মধ্যে, ফ্লেভারটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি এর মধ্যে জমবে। Okay, it's done. Okay, that's not an issue. Okay, it's completed. I will eat after some time.